With PDMPublisher, you can export files directly into your PDM Vault with just a few clicks. In this example, I'm going to use a placeholder called Vault Root Folder to create my export location. I am also adding two subfolders called Speaker and Step. If these folders don't exist in the Vault, they will be created automatically. I'm happy with the file name structure. For my file formats, I will select Step. I've already enabled export references to file format individually, which ensures that all referenced components in the top-level assembly are exported. Before clicking the Publish button, let's click the small arrow beside it. This reveals all available local views accessible on this computer. Let's select a view and then click Publish. PDMPublisher will process the assembly, export all the step files, and saves them directly in the PDM Vault. Once the export process is complete, let's take a look at the output location. All the exported step files were added to the Vault and checked in. If a file already exists in the Vault, PDMPublisher will attempt to check it out, update it with the new version, and then check it back into the Vault.